I want to show you how to make money with WhatsApp channel in Nigeria or wherever you're watching this video from.
Yes!
So if you are in Nigeria, you will agree with me that there is a WhatsApp monetization called WhatsApp TV. So this WhatsApp TV is just like people showing their status to their followers or friends on WhatsApp. So if, for example, they have a person that have like 10,000 contacts, 1,000 and above contacts, he or she can charge for a fee to display your advert on his WhatsApp status. This is because the person have over time built an engaging followership on WhatsApp. That is, his or her status normally gets reaction and engagement from active people. That made it become active. So most people do convert to a WhatsApp TV. That is just your normal WhatsApp business, or probably the GP WhatsApp or normal WhatsApp that that he or she will build followers to people to follow, people to add his contacts and start seeing his or her status. So however, that has also made them trying to like share their numbers, making it more difficult that whoever do not save both side number, like he saved their number, them save his number, he cannot um leverage or make money from that audience. WhatsApp have changed the entire game now, introducing WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channel is just like a page or a channel. Just if you know about Telegram um channel, you will understand this WhatsApp channel. Yes, the owner of the channel doesn't have to disclose his numbers, and also members of the channel numbers are not public. Over time, people have been asking about how to hide WhatsApp group participant number and many of those stuff, and from each other and thereabouts. So, but the solution is just this WhatsApp channel. You can actually build a followership on WhatsApp without them having your number or members seeing each of other members' number. All you have to do is create a WhatsApp channel, then share your WhatsApp channel link, which you're going to see on the WhatsApp channel at the top of your channel. Share the link, people join and follow the group. Tell them to turn on notification, because by default the WhatsApp channel is mute for privacy policy and personal personalization and many of that. So you have to tend to unmute it so that whenever you are posting on the channel, they're going to get updates from it. So that being said, you have to tell them to follow you, and when you be able to build some amount, at least 1,000 or above. For now, WhatsApp channel is new, so if you have a thousand followers on WhatsApp channel, you are still in the game and you can make money from it or monetize it. So, but however, there are people now that even have up to 1 million subscribers, like the Brain Jotter, Ify Kitchens, and many other pop influencers I have seen their channel on WhatsApp. So they now have up to like 1 million subscribers, followers or there. But nevertheless, if you have 100,000 followers, you're still in the game. If you have 10,000 followers, you're still in the game. If you have 1,000 followers, you're still in the game. You can still use the same method I'm going to show to you in this video to be able to monetize the platform. So what should you do? How should you make money from your WhatsApp channel? How can you monetize your WhatsApp channel? This
Yes!
number one, paid membership. Unless you can set your WhatsApp channel to become a private WhatsApp channel that people can pay to join. Yes, people can pay to join, or you can make it a public one that WhatsApp can recommend your channel to anybody, everybody. So that paid membership is like charging people for them to join your WhatsApp channel and you giving them premium content different from the one you shared publicly online. Number two, sponsored adverts. Just as I say about the WhatsApp TV, that is same implication of what you can implement in the WhatsApp channel. So what you have to do is you grow your followership, have an engaging WhatsApp channel, ensure that people react to your post. Followers are increasing day by day. You can actually go for people to tell them about your WhatsApp channel and how you can help them promote their business. Or if someone discover that your WhatsApp channel is active, he or she can reach out to the owner of the WhatsApp channel. That is, if you provide your contact details along the line of you posting in the group, they can reach out to you and you can charge them a fee for it. You can charge them around 10,000, 20,000 naira, 100,000 or a million naira, depending on how engaging the kind of content the person wants to advertise or the kind of content you also promote on your platform, and how you know that your audience is able to key in the conversion rate for the ad you're going to advert you're going to post for the person. So that is it. So you can actually charge a fee for advert, and you can actually have a Telegram channel, a Facebook channel, a Facebook page, and thereby you can charge it for different platform of this. Then for the number three of it, you can actually sell a WhatsApp channel. Now, if you are able, you are the growth catalyst type, you're able to grow your WhatsApp channel. What you have to do is, when you go you sell, when you go you sell, when you go you sell, you make someone an admin, you sell, you make the person an admin, you sell it. So I know that WhatsApp actually do not recommend this method I'm showing to you. That's why you will not see this thing I'm showing in this video in the internet. So but as the premium content I'm just giving you for free, you can actually sell WhatsApp channel. So if you're able to grow a channel to a million followers, 100,000 followers or thereabout, you can actually add someone as an admin also on that WhatsApp channel and sell the channel. I don't know if adding someone as an admin in your WhatsApp is an option. They were, I believe, when I was setting up, I don't know, there's a video I did about how to create a WhatsApp channel. So I can, maybe it's on the other of my channel or on this channel. So you can actually check that out and see it, and you'll be able to make someone admin and actually give you out the person and remove yourself. And now, but you as the main owner, there is a way that if you want to if you want to leave the channel or there, but it's going to look like you're deleting the channel. So probably that's so that you find a way around it and get um yourself out and leave the person as the admin of the channel. So I have listed three methods of monetizing a WhatsApp channel. I listed, first of all, paid membership; second, advert or sponsorship; three, selling your WhatsApp channel. So there can be other methods which along the line figure out and also update you in this channel. So that is why you have to do me a favor right now. Please subscribe to the Tutor Sense YouTube channel, follow our follow our page, and join our Telegram channel at Tutor Sense Academy. I'm going to drop the link to the channel below. Please, if you have not joined, please join in, because that's how I'll update you, give you more free content and update you more. So with that being said, since I come your way, please leave a comment. If what I say makes sense to you, leave a comment. If you want to know further, leave a comment. Just leave a comment about this video. I'm ready to read your comments, reply, like, share this video.